Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a look at a stunning and powerful machine, now the 2024 Lamborghini Revuelto I Circumflex I Circumflex 1/2. This futuristic supercar is not just about looks, it's a force to be reckoned with on the road. The Revuelto I Circumflex I Circumflex 1/2's design is truly head-turning. It boasts a sharp angular exterior that screams Lamborghini. The aggressive front end features sleek headlights and a prominent air intake hinting at the car's immense power. The sharp lines and sculpted bodywork flow seamlessly from front to back, creating a sense of aerodynamic efficiency. One of the most striking features is the Revuelto I Circumflex I Circumflex 1/2's scissor doors, a signature Lamborghini design element. These doors swing upwards, dramatically adding to the car's theatrical flair. The Revuelto I Circumflex I Circumflex 1/2 isn't just a pretty face, it packs a serious punch under the hood. Lamborghini remains tight-lipped about the exact specifications, but rumors suggest a hybrid powertrain combining an next-generation gasoline engine with a powerful electric motor. This hybrid setup is expected to deliver earth-shattering horsepower and acceleration figures that will leave you speechless. Imagine the roar of the engine intertwined with the instant torque of the electric motor, propelling you forward with an otherworldly force. The Revuelto I Circumflex I Circumflex 1/2 will undoubtedly be a champion on the racetrack, offering unparalleled performance for the discerning driver. Interior: while Lamborghini is known for its focus on performance, the Revuelto I Circumflex I Circumflex 1/2's interior is surprisingly luxurious. Expect top-shelf materials like carbon fiber and premium leather, meticulously crafted to create a driver-centric environment. The futuristic design elements flow from the exterior into the cabin, giving the Revuelto I Circumflex I Circumflex 1/2 a truly unique and advanced feel. The instrument cluster will likely be fully digital, displaying all the vital information you need in a clear and concise way. Lamborghini's advanced infotainment system will keep you connected and entertained on the go. But let's be honest, the most entertaining aspect of this car will be the exhilarating driving experience itself. The 2024 Lamborghini Revuelto I Circumflex I Circumflex 1/2 is a true masterpiece of automotive design and engineering. It's a car that pushes the boundaries of what's possible, both in terms of performance and aesthetics. With its rumored hybrid powertrain, the Revuelto I Circumflex I Circumflex 1/2 is a glimpse into the future of Lamborghini, and it's a future that looks incredibly exciting. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps.